It's one hunt that's very dear to my heart. It's a hunt that we do in Kansas every year. Do it in the spring for turkeys and in the fall for deer. It's a hunt for warriors that have been wounded while serving their time in the U.S. Army. So we get together with these soldiers every year, and they get paired up with a guide, volunteers. Everybody volunteers their time, and we get them out so they can chase deer. This is a very meaningful hunt for me, having served and still serving. Just the fact that I get to give back to these soldiers who have given a lot more than they signed up to give in the first place. It's a very meaningful hunt. It's a very successful hunt usually. The land we get to hunt on is temporarily closed to the public when these soldiers come in. So it's a great time for everybody to be had. Donations all around. Great donations from various companies. So stay tuned and sit back and watch the excitement. The soldier I was lucky enough to be paired up with this year was a first-time hunter from Philadelphia, PA. So this city boy soldier gets a little action that he has never got to see before. Stay tuned. Now, it wasn't long at all before we had a couple of deer work their way out into the field. And our new hunter was about to experience what it's like to take his first shot ever on a whitetail deer. Got him, buddy.
He's running.
No, he's down.
He's down?
Yep, there's one down. He's down, he smoked him. Put on safe, brother. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, man.
Good job, man. Brother.
Thanks.
Now, I can't tell who was more excited when he made the shot on this deer at 175 yards and it dropped in his tracks, him or me. Man, what an awesome experience. And you can tell by our reactions, everybody was pumped up. So tell us what happened, buddy.
So, we were in the tree stand, or the blind, and you had spotted a deer about 150 meters out. Kind of pointed me in the right direction. I saw him, he was facing toward me. Then he went to his right to feed. And as he was sitting broadside of me, I was able to line up, pull the trigger, and I got him down one shot.
Yes, sir. Let's go get your deer. Heck yeah, brother.
Awesome.
First deer.
Go.
So go ahead and tell us about the hunt and tell us what you think.
Oh man, it's one of the best experiences of my life.
First time hunter here.
Yep. Very first time, originally from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, so I never had the opportunity to come out and hunt, and it's amazing. It's an amazing feeling. And I'm thankful for the hunt. I'm thankful for this deer. Be able to provide some food and have a great experience.
So how'd you get out here? Tell us about that.
So I got out here by being a part of the Wounded Warrior Battalion, and I had to sign up for the hunt, and a group of us came out and were paired up with guides to provide an experience like this, and it's truly a memorable experience, and it's probably one of the highlights of the year, if not my entire life. Top 5 at least.
I hear you.
Yeah, this is great.
All right, brother, let's get them loaded in the truck.
All right, let's do it.
This hunt was more than just a hunt for these soldiers. They got to spend time away from their duties, time to forget any ailments that might be bothering them. This was time to build new friendships that are sure to last a lifetime, all through the sport of hunting and giving back to these soldiers.